Hello there, my name is Andrew Druckman, and I'd like to welcome you to the channel because, after all, the reason why you clicked on that link is because you want to learn how to get leads for a junk removal business startup. Well, guess what? You just came to the right place because that is exactly what we are going to be talking about today. Now, if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to Traffic Magic because that is what we do. We talk about different tips and strategies to help you get more people to the front door of your business every single day. Because after all, if you have nobody at the front door of your business, you have no business because that is the bloodline to your business. And also something to keep in mind, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below that's going to give you free training so that this way you can learn how to drive hundreds of people to the front door of your business every single day. Now, without further ado, let's get into the action. So, my very first tip I'm going to share with you when it comes to getting more leads for your junk removal business is look up these websites, and I would seriously take these websites under serious consideration and to get more leads for your junk removal business, especially if you are starting from the ground up, if you're starting from scratch, if you're starting from zero and you're trying to get leads and you're trying to get your business going. Because in the grand scheme of things, you have to kind of think about this for a second. If you don't have no leads, then you kind of want to try to take what you can get just for the time being until you can get your business up and running to where you're constantly, consistently getting leads and closing in on them, and you're getting consistent customers. So I really hope that makes sense. Sometimes it just be that way. It just kind of is what it is. But I've heard a lot of good things about these websites I'm going to share with you. So I would take them under serious consideration. Again, if you're just starting from the ground up. The very first website here is GoLoadUp.com. The second one is CheckSammy.com. The third one is GetDimension.com. And then, last but not least, junkgurus.us. So just something to keep in mind, it's just one of those things where, in these websites, being the fact that I did hear a lot of good things about these websites, I would take it under serious consideration. Again, if you don't have any leads, I would seriously check this out. Now, after that, the next thing I'm going to tell you to do is go ahead and create an account on Google My Business, and this is at the time of this recording is what the website is going to look like, business.google.com. And the truth of the matter is you can advertise here for free. This is awesome. To be able to sit here and advertise your business for free, I personally think is just phenomenal. There's no words to sit here and describe it when it's free, especially something like this. So what I'll tell you to do is go ahead and create an account. Make sure you upload pictures of before and after in your work, and make sure you have Make sure that you have reviews. Ask the people that you service after you're done servicing them. Encourage them to leave reviews. If you encourage them to leave positive reviews, well, I mean, obviously you're hoping that they're going to be positive reviews, but you can't tell them to leave a positive review. But just encouraging them to leave a review can definitely go a long way for your business, because the more positive reviews you have for your business is going to increase your probability of just getting more leads. Why? Because people will trust other people, and when other people are edifying you, saying how great your work is and how you deliver good, high quality service, that type of trust that people like to look at definitely builds a lot of credibility for you. So I really hope that makes sense. And then the next thing I'm going to tell you to do is go ahead and, when it comes to creating a website, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below called MightySites.com. And you can start with your free trial, so this way you can learn how to build a website. And the truth of the matter is, and what I like about Mighty Sites, is beginner friendly. It's only $9 a month, and they actually have tutorials that'll show you how to build a website. It's very easy. It's very simple. Literally anybody can do it. This is something I would suggest that I would seriously encourage you to do. This is one of the things I would definitely encourage you to do. And also, last but not least, definitely take advantage of social media. Now, when you go on social media, make sure that you're targeting your local area or whatever areas you want to target, so that this way you know exactly where it is where you need to be at when you're getting leads and you're constantly posting content. Now, I'm not going to really dive too much into this because I already kind of did a video about this already. So if you want to check out that video, I'm going to leave an ending clip of that at the end of this video. Feel free to check it out. But the main thing I'm going to tell you more than anything else is I personally think social media is very, very powerful, and it's something also you should take under consideration, because the truth of the matter is we are way past the day and age where people are flipping through the yellow pages, reading news articles when it comes to looking up other people's businesses to get their services, right? Because in the grand scheme of things, everything has moved over to the internet. Everything has moved over to social media. So everybody and their mamas and their mama's mama is on social media. So honestly, if you are not taking advantage of social media, I personally think you're just doing yourself a total disservice, and that you're going to be leaving a lot of money on the table. So just something to keep in mind. So with that being said, that's what I got for you in this video. Hopefully you got some value of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me your comment in the comment section down below. I always want to know what you got to say. And also, remember, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below that's going to give you free training on how to get more people to the front door of your business every single day. And don't forget, if you want to learn more about how to get more customers and more leads for your junk removal company, just remember, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. Click on that link. Feel free to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.